Good morning, everyone. Myself Manjushri Havannar, Faculty of A&D Department. Today onwards, I am going to take your management subject. Now, before entering in the syllabus, before entering in the subject, we learn some basic things. Everybody you have in your mind, management is a theory subject. रट्टा मार के पास करेंगे कैसे भी 35 marks will get. Okay, by ratta mark you will get 35 marks. That is not an issue. But Rattamar is not a life, right? You should understand the things and you should understand what is the concept. This much day, you all are deal with the machines and your programs, logic gates, everything. But today onwards, you are going to deal with the people. Means this much day, all the technical subjects will made you, will told you how to deal with the machine. But this subject will explain you how to deal with the peoples. This subject is very much essential for your skills and for your knowledge. Because knowledge and skill is different, taking the marks is different. In a paper, you have marks like a 90, 95, 98, but you don't know how to present the knowledge. When you go for the interview, you have all the things in your paper, but you don't have knowledge how to present that. This subject will help you to develop your self-confidence, and as well as it will help you, it will give you some skills for your self-development. And one more thing, the management is start from self-management. For example, tomorrow you are going for a college. Tomorrow you are coming for a college, going for a college. Okay. Today night only you start the preparation. Means which dress I am going to wear or what tiffin I will take tomorrow to the college. Sometime you all discuss with your friends na, कल यही पहन के आएंगे, especially girls, right? हाँ. That thought, first thought what comes in your mind, that is your planning. Management is nothing but from first thought to finished thought. Means first idea to finished work. That is the management. How you take from raw material to finished goods. That is the management. Okay. What you will do? Tomorrow I am going for a college. Right? At 9 o'clock I have my class. This is your end goal. Tomorrow I am going to reach a college at 9 o'clock because I have class. This is your final goal. To reach that final goal, what you do? Today night only start the preparation, what to wear, what to that, and okay. Next day, got up early morning, having your breakfast, and come for the bus station. Right? Okay. By chance, by mistakenly, you lost your bus. What you will do? You take some alternative solution. You come by rickshaw or call your parents, otherwise you call your friends. Something alternative solution you search na, to reach your goal, right? Then what you will do? Alternative solution. When you are thinking about alternative solution, that is also important. Which person you will select? See, in your home, if you have your younger brother, he is capable to drop you, maybe 10-year, 12-year baby? No. If you have an elder brother, he is a capable person to drop you. So selection of the person also important to reach your goal, right? Okay. Then you call your parents or call someone, come to the college. You reached your goal, right? Reaching the goal is your intention. But reaching the goal, you have done the planning, and to that plan, you have done some alternative solution. That all the things is nothing but a management. It starts from cell to organization management. Same thing. Everywhere you have management, no? In a school. School, how much students we are going to take in the school? Which type of teacher we required? What salary we are going to give, where will construct the school, that all are nothing but your planning. That is your schedule of planning. Reaching your goal is finishing your goal. And the main important things in this subject, whatever you learn now, you can see it, right? If I say connection of some circuit, in that definitely you have a current. No, I can't cut the wire and show you the current how it's going, right? Similarly, in this subject, whatever you will learn, whatever you will study, you can see it, you can feel it. So it is a very easy subject to understand. So don't take it lightly. कैसे भी पास हो जाएंगे. Take this subject seriously. Make your self development and it will increase your confidence level. So whenever you take this subject na, you try to learn something from this subject. Okay. So now we start with the first model, that is management. Management is nothing but the art of getting things done through a people, planning, organizing, controlling, making them to achieve a single goal. What it means? Setting a single goal in your mind and planning for that, organizing things, controlling the things and making them to achieve a single goal. For example, take example of our college only. First thought comes in a Suresh Shangdi ji. He is a chairman of our college. First, what he has decided to give something to the society in the cause of education. His first thought. That first thought is nothing but first plan what the person is decided to do. Right? That is nothing but a planning. What he is actually wanted to do. Next, organizing the things. Organizing in the sense, see, I have some plan. To fulfill that plan, I need to do something, na? Right? He's decided to open the college. Now, where he has to open? In which area he has to take the permission? See, before opening any colleges, you need a permission from the VTU, na? And purchasing of a land, that much money we have to invest. That all or nothing but organizing, keeping the things properly in their respective place. That is nothing but organizing. When the college is constructed, classrooms are well designed, right? For example, we have a Angdi school in our safe compound or safe campus. Can you imagine one class of B students, one class of school students? You imagine, now you're sitting in this class next you have a school student class. Is it possible to concentrate on the Is it possible to concentrate what I'm saying in a class? No. You concentrate on the small children's what they are doing. So, keeping the things in the right place in a right time, that is nothing but organizing, right? The next is controlling. Controlling is in form of many types. Money controlling, manpower controlling, time controlling, knowledge controlling, everything. For example, in a class, if I take 1 hour class, you all are able to sit. उतना तो मुझे झेलेंगे आप, right? If I take a second class continuously, you say, but you'll sit. कैसे भी करके. But if I take a third hour also, fourth hour also, fifth hour also, is it possible to attend the class? Straight away, you send me all out. Madam, अब जाओ अभी, बस हो गया. This is your capacity, your listening capacity, your tolerating capacity, your limiting capacity, right? That much limitation only you have to listen to me. That is sharing capacity of my knowledge and listening capacity of your knowledge. Okay. Now, timing also. If I tell you to come at 9 to 4 to the college or 9 to 5, you all are ready to come. If I tell you to come early morning at a 6 o'clock till 12 o'clock in the night, no, you're not ready to come only. Your complaint on me to the principal. मैडम इतना बजे बुला रहे, इतनी देर कैसे आने का कॉलेज को? So that is the time control. In everything we need some control. See, everything is managed properly, na? See, can you imagine? एक क्लास में 2 teachers in a one class, 2 subject teachers are coming and telling you or teaching you that subject. Is it possible? See, I am a single teacher. I am taking a class to you. There is no disturbance. There is no other teacher interaction in my class, and there is no clashes between the class. So, timetable is given. Timetable is given means everything controlled properly, everything organized properly. Right? There is no any clashes or distraction to your class. Similarly, making them achieve a single goal. See, here we all are working to do education cause only. We all are working for education cause only. Right? This building is constructed for education only. And a daily Suresh Shangdi sir, our chairperson, or MP sir, Suresh Shangdi ji, the person is not coming and teaching you, right? He's decided to give education to the society, but he's not doing the work. The work is done by teachers. By using a people power, he's fulfilling his dream, right? Similarly, we are also working for a education cause only. Can you imagine? एक कॉलेज मॉर्निंग में एजुकेशन सोसाइटी है, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट है, आफ्टरनून हॉस्पिटल बनेगा. इज इट पॉसिबल? कल आप आओ, इसको हॉस्पिटल बनाओ, आज एजुकेशन कॉलेज बनाओ. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. इट इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड ओनली फॉर अ education. This building is working only for education. That means we are working to achieve a single goal. We are working to do a single goal. Next, characteristics of management. We'll see what is the characteristics of management. Applicable for all kinds of organization. Applicable for all kinds of organization means this management is applicable for school, colleges, everything. Everywhere we have management. In our home also we have management, right? Our mother is also one type of planner and developer, and our parents, for example, our father is a financial person. He's take all the financial responsibility, no? So in our home also we have all management things. In home also we see some managements. The next, transparent. It is a transparent means everything is visible here. Okay. The classroom is visible. The classroom means classrooms are there. The teacher taking in the class. Students are in the class means everything is transparency. There is no hidden things. There is no hidden plan. Right? Okay. Next, it is effective. See, when it is effective? When you do proper planning. Right? See, you call your friends, you tell them to come, we go somewhere out. Maybe a picture, maybe a hotel, anywhere. You call them and first only you have to prepare ना, किस को बुलाएंगे पिक्चर जाने के लिए, right? Which picture will see? Then only your plan will be effective ना. कल आपने गोवा जाने का प्लान किया, सुबह उठ के सबको बुलाए तो who's are really interested, they will come. But everybody will not come ना. Is not possible to come everybody, right? So when you do the proper planning, then only it is effective. So effectively you need to plan it. Well-defined goal. Well-defined means every goal, it is a well-defined. मुझे यही करने का है. I want to do this only. That is the well-defined goal. The next is good planning. Good planning, that only I said na. Proper planning is required before doing anything. That is the good planning. Provide conducive atmosphere. Provide conducive atmosphere means, for example, here my work is to teach you, right? If a person or a management or a principal or a HOD is told me to take a class So he should provide some things to me, na? That is a chalk, duster, podium, board, including that students, obviously students, right? That is a providing conductive atmosphere. For example, this is the class, you all are sitting in a bench. Sitting on your bench, no? If I remove all the bench, is it possible to sit you? No. So proper things is required, right? Before giving a single chalk to me, means unless and until giving things to me to fulfill that it is possible, no. Providing a good conductive atmosphere means providing all the things to achieve the goal is necessary. That's why we have bus facility, everything you have now, because to fulfill the dreams. Responsive to many external elements like economic, technical and political, social factor. See, when the management is, this is the school course, means this is the education society, this is the education college. Now, this education is responsible for all the economical, technical, political and social. Means whatever we are doing in the society, we are responsible for that, right? We are opening the school means we are not opening the school, we are giving a chance to study the students. We are making their future. So, whatever we'll do it now, it affects a political and technical and social. It is also helpful for economic development also, right? After learning the BE degree, after getting the BE degree, you all are economically strong now, right? You start learning or start earning. So that is the economically strong, financially strong. Okay. The next is scope. It starts from self-management to big office, industry and organization management. Start from self to organization management. So it starts from self to org. So this much is enough this day. In the next class, we'll continue. In next class, we learn the functional areas of management. Okay. Thank you.